Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on your Amazon shopping account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Amazon shopping application on your device. And once you open it up, make sure that you are logged into your account if you haven't done so already, using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the home page, from which you can directly browse for various different products and start shopping right away. Now, if you wish to change your email address, just tap on your profile icon at the bottom section and then tap on Your Account. Now, within the Your Account section, scroll down and then tap on Login and Security underneath Account Settings. Now, on this page, you will see various other details that you can change within your account. Alongside the email address, tap on the Edit button and you will now be asked to enter the new email address that you would like to switch into. When you type in this new email address, you will receive a one-time password within this email address. So type in this email address and tap on Continue, and then check your inbox and enter the verification code within the next screen. After you enter this verification code and proceed forward, your email address will successfully be changed within your Amazon shopping account. And now you will be able to use this new email address and your original password to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address within the Amazon shopping application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.